Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys something that I have already unboxed. I got another Dooney & Bourke Trixie crossbody. Yay! So like I said, this is one of my favorite silhouettes from Dooney & Bourke. I picked this up at Poshmark and I lucked out because it's in excellent condition. So anyways, this is the Trixie crossbody in the Tiverton print. And what that means is it's the plaid, coated cotton plaid. And this bag came, it was on from QVC originally. And it came in, I think, about 4 different colors, maybe 4 or 5. I used to have this bag, that's why I know about it, in this color right here. This is, I think they call it turquoise. It is really pretty. This is I picked this up a long time ago, cosmetics case from Dooney & Bourke. I haven't been able to find it anywhere since. By the way, I used to have this in this color, this bag. If you guys ever see it, let me know. I have not been able to find it because I really miss it. This is my favorite color overall, you know, with my clothes and everything. So anyways, this back here is the one in, I guess, dark blue as you call it. So this is all like dark navy, and then it's got like some kind of reddish orange stripe in the middle. I added this Dooney & Bourke Samba key fob to it, and I don't need to use it because it is pretty heavy, but I can if I want to, so I'll take that off. So like I said, this is the exact same bag that I showed you guys before on my channel. I ended up returning that other one that I showed you, the Christmas colored one, the white, what do you call it, tartan. So the wool fabric, just because, you know, it just wasn't my colors. It doesn't go with much, unless you're wearing Christmas every day, which I'm not, even though that is my favorite holiday. But anyways, so like I said before, it's got a good long crossbody strap. That's adjustable. In the back, this is what's really unique about this. It's different than the zip because look, you've got the straps on the back, so it's completely hands-free, as they say. So when you're opening the bag, you're not hitting the strap anywhere. I love that. Also because it's just very compact. It has a zipper pull in the back. The only downside to this, you guys, is it does not fit any phone that I know of, but you could put anything like lipstick, your ID, maybe some money. That would be really quick access. So like I said, when you open it up, it zips all the way down, and it has cute little gussets on the side. And let's see, there we go. So in here, I stuffed it to keep its shape. But like I said, you have one slip pocket on the front. You have a zipper compartment. There you can see it in the center, which is really cool. And you have a standard Dooney setup in the back here, zip and slip pocket. And I would say for this bag, you can only fit, well, I just lost it here, but, oh, here it is. This wallet here, the brand name, okay. Brand name is hiding on this, but anyways, it's the RFID line. They make purses as well. I would always use this in my old Trixie crossbodies, so if you had a wallet like this, fits right in there. So you can see like that. So you can put makeup, your cell phone, and then that's about it. You can put another small item. This is only for small items, you guys, but I love it. It's so cute, and this is perfect for anything like hiking. Like I said, hiking, walking, or something you don't want to be hurting your shoulder. So things like that. And yeah, I love this bag so much. It's, like I said, you guys, it's in great condition. Oh, and there is unfortunately no feet on the bottom. But if you go on QVC and you get the large size in this, which they have only in Saffiano, pebbled leather, and tartan, you can get a large size. It has feet. And I think I'll be ordering that next because it is on sale and you can get on Easy Pay, which is really easy. And yeah, so I think the other thing I was going to say is I've ordered another new bag. It's another small bag, so very compact, one that I've been wanting for a while, that I have it in one color already. So I will, once that comes in, I will upload it But yeah, like I said, this is from Poshmark. It's in excellent condition. You guys let me know if you find this bag in this color. I have not been able to find it anywhere. So please let me know and I will be interested in getting it. But yeah, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.